Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure essential tools work: camera, microphone, and a stable connection. Sign into your Google account and open the Meet link from Calendar or the web. Once there, choose the correct camera and microphone in settings so audio and video match your setup. Enable noise cancellation if background sound is a problem. Make sure you test briefly with the preview pane and adjust framing and lighting so others see you clearly before you enter the call. Once in the meeting, focus on smooth delivery and control. Present now to share your screen or a single window. Pick high-resolution slides and close unrelated tabs to protect privacy. Use participant controls to mute everyone except presenters and pin the active speaker to keep view consistent. If you need interaction, open chat, enable captions for accessibility, or use hand raise to cue questions. For workshops, create breakout rooms and assign moderators so discussion stays organized and on time. To finish professionally, summarize decisions, assign action items with deadlines, and share the recording or notes link. Make sure you stop presenting before ending the meeting to prevent accidental screen exposure, and verify the recording saved to Meet or Drive. If someone reports poor audio or echo, first check that they don't have the same meeting open on multiple devices. Ask them to mute other devices or switch to headphones. If problems persist, reconnect or send a quick join link to retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.